Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I'm going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful and very latest but an art and craft ideas for you guys. Guys, these are very amazing, these are very stunning and very beautiful but an art and craft collections for you guys. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So guys, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Guys, these are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning. But an art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very amazing, these are very stunning and very beautiful but an art and craft collections for you guys. So guys, always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. Guys, these are very latest, these are very beautiful and very amazing handmade button craft ideas for you guys. So guys, I am glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well, and I'm very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always think positive, always be positive. Guys, these are very beautiful, these are very amazing, and these are very latest and unique button craft collections for you guys. Take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.